What up, Smart Beat Maker? In this video, I'm gonna talk about the scammer issue that's happening with Beatstars right now that is affecting, for sure, 100% the amount of beats that you can sell right now. I'm gonna show you proof of it, I'm gonna show you the breakdown of it, and then I'm gonna give you 3 things that as an artist who goes through beats and purchases $4,000 in just beat leases a year just to have them, I'm gonna explain to you my perspective on it to protect yourself, the things that let me know that this is a real beat, that it's not a scam, so that you can implement those things to your pages, to your beats, so that you can sell more beats and set yourself apart from the scam problem.
Thank you.
Okay? Because it's a really big problem. I was going through beats on Beatstars the other day, and I'm not kidding, this is not an exaggeration. 16 out of 20 of the beats that played as an ad were all scammers.
This is the worst.
When I say that, what I mean is they're taking the beats that are already the top performing beats, the beats that have millions of plays, which obviously indicates, if they keep running it as an ad, that it's profiting to the producer that is actually running it as an ad, right? Like, why would they keep running it as an ad if it wasn't making money? So these scammers, they go and they steal your beats, and then they create a side profile and they start running ads because you've already proven that it's profitable if it gets ran as an ad. It's smart on their part, but it's really screwed that they're even doing this.
It's not acceptable.
16 out of the 20, okay? This has been an issue for a minute, and I've reported so many of these people to Beatstars, okay? In their defense, they do delete these profiles, but they have to know about them first. And 16 out of 20, that is ridiculous. So let me show you some screencasts right now to show you how I can easily identify if it's actually a scam artist or not. First of all, this person's crazy lazy because all he does is most of these profiles all lead to the same Instagram, which is this guy, okay? He didn't even make different Instagram accounts or anything. He just made a bunch of Beatstars accounts. Another thing that's an indicator to me is when the beats playing, all of them, if you look at them, because they're kind of creating these accounts in bulk, and most of these all have the same amount of streams on them. So they were all started the same day. They have about 3,400 on every single one of these ads that we're playing, or somewhere around there, okay? Another indicator to me that it's a fake profile, since I've been noticing them last year, was that the profile only has 1 beat, which is obvious, or it only has like around 3 beats. They're really lazily creating these profiles, but they know that artists are potentially gonna buy these beats. And artists are smart.
Yes,
and I also
sir.
have a video on Smart Rapper that I'm making, so artists are gonna know that this exists, and unfortunately it probably will affect their trust in buying beats, but they need to have a real license if they're getting it. I don't want some scammer getting that money, you know? So I'm giving tips to artists on how to protect themselves and verify if it's a real account, as well as giving you the tips right now on how you can protect yourself and help artists know that you're real. First thing that I noticed on a lot of these is you probably already use your producer tag and stuff like that on your beats, but the thing is sometimes I'm hearing on these scammer pages, it'll say a beat tag, and the beat tag does not match the name of the profile.
That's stupid. Use your common sense.
So you need to make sure that you really are using your beat tag, and whatever it's saying isn't just a sound, but it actually is saying audibly, they can hear it, the name of you as a producer. Because if that doesn't match, there's a dissonance between the two, and that'll make an artist think, I shouldn't be buying this isn't real. Another thing that you can do is make sure that your profile is fully built out, that you have tens, dozens of beats, as many beats as you can. The next thing is to make sure that your social media looks official. You wanna go get that verification on your Instagram, go do it. You need to make sure that you got a bunch of posts on your Instagram and you're not privated, which wouldn't make any sense, but I've seen people with private, producers were private, it doesn't make sense.
That's stupid.
Another thing to protect yourself would be to actually have your website set up. These scammers don't take all that additional effort to go create a website and stuff. They really don't tend to do that. The fact that this is clearly working because he keeps on doing this, he or she, they keep on creating these profiles, they're clearly profiting, or they wouldn't have been doing it for the last year. And especially now, they wouldn't be making 16 out of 20 of the profiles would be scammers. Their laziness is gonna be your saving grace in this circumstance. So make sure that your profile looks as legit as it possibly can. That's the only thing that's really gonna save you from this. In the meantime, if you come across these and you know people are stealing these beats, report the profiles. Go report the Instagrams that you see that are clearly scamming. That's it. I just wanted to share this with you to protect yourself, to help you sell more beats, and also to protect everybody in the music industry, okay? Just be on the lookout for this, all right? I'm Rob Level from Smart Rapper and Smart Beat Maker. You just got a little bit smarter. Keep hustling. Check out the other videos on the channel. Hit me with a subscribe, and I'll see you at the top.